Hi guys, I thought we would start with the ice cream scoops first and then go down into our cone when we are finished them. So just make sure you have a white piece of paper. Luckily I have a longer one at home. If you don't, I would suggest gluing or taping two pieces of the regular 8.5 by 11 together, just because when you go to stack your ice cream cones, you might not have enough room if you have the regular size. So I have slightly a larger page. Okay, then you can start with your top scoop. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm not going to do it right in the center, or else I might not have enough room to write the flavors on the side. So I'm going to come closer to my side of the paper and start there. So it's kind of almost like the shape of popcorn, right? And always, remember what I always say, go with a pencil first and go lightly, right? Because then you can always fix it. So I just lightly, not hard strokes, go soft around, almost like a circle. And then I'm going to do my bumps or my waves to close off my ice cream like this. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you can fix it afterwards. So for example, if I don't like this one and I actually wanted 5 bumps, I'll just erase it and try the bumps again. I think that looks pretty okay. I'm gonna keep going. So the next one, right, that same, you're going from here. So you're doing that same, almost half circle. Right, and again, coming with my waves. This time I got in the 5, so that's totally up to you. 4 or 5 bumps, whatever, looks good. Okay. Right, I can go back over, fix the size of some of them. And again, for mine, I think I'm going to do 5 flavors if I can get that in. So let's keep going. I'm actually starting my ice cream scoop from the divot here. So kind of gives me room to do that. Try to have maybe a sharp pencil. I just sharpened mine beforehand, just to allow you to move it better. Okay, my bumps again. Again, I was able to get 5. And when I'm finally done my sketch, I'll go back over and I'll erase lines, or I'll fix lines, or I'll fix the shape things, right? You just want the overall kind of shape of your ice cream scoop so far. So 1, 2, 3. Or I think I could fit one more and still a cone. So one more. And our cone. So now we're on to the cone part. Slightly move this down so I have enough room. You can, if you have room for the triangle cone, go ahead. I preferably, as a kid, always grew up with the almost a rectangle cone. So I'm going to show you how to draw that cone. So just from the last bottom scoop, you are going to come out almost like a bowl. So here's my kind of bowl like ice cream cone. I might go extend that and fix this to be longer. And try to make your corners rounded. So I know a lot of times we want to do like hard rectangle shapes, but try not to do that. Try to curve it out. You want it almost like rounded. Okay, then you're going to do another little second rounded thin rectangle after that. Then from there, at the edge of both these, go down. And not straight down. If you go straight down, you're gonna get like a rectangle box. You want them slightly going inwards so that then the bottom is like a curve. And I'll do that. And this is where you're going to create the texture for your cone. So I am going to go in one direction. So first just make sure you have the shape of your cone that you like. Fix anything that you don't like. You can get a ruler out for this part, or just watch your lines and go on a diagonal. And then I'm going to go the opposite way. So I'm going to come this way. Like this. And you can make any of those thicker or fix anything, but I'll just go back over and I'll fix my lines and fix anything that I don't like. So here's my whole stack. So that way now I have room for my flavors here. And you can even do a small sign at the end if you'd like. I'll see if I want to add it. I might add it and show you my result in the end. So by the end, I'm gonna draw my different flavors. So I'll have different food items in here and I'll color it. I think I'll just use markers, maybe markers and pencil crayon. And then I will take a picture of my final result. All right, guys, have fun. Can't wait to see them.